So, back from Australia, from 40 degrees to -9. Wow, it's a bit cold. Anyway, the Mac Smasher, we have it, the FMS, FCX24. We ordered this a little while ago, so finally, as promised, we'll do an unboxing, give it a bit of a rip. We'll do a speed run this time, see how it is, bench test it, and then we're going to modify it. Yes! So let's have a look what's in here. The FMS Max Smasher FCX24 Technophobe for anybody who wants it. Portal axles, 2-speed gearbox. Alright, are we ready? No. Look at that. Oh, very well packed. Tires. Oh, yeah. Chewy. Nice chewy tires. So it's got diffs in it already, but apparently you can lock them out, which will be what these bits are in your little USB charger, little tool there. And what else we got? Little radio, that'll be coming out. We have a load of Furytech stuff coming for this, the aluminium cage, link bars. We have the Godzilla mini motor coming, Tesla's green. So what have we got in here? Bind, reverse, steering, throttle trim, power on and off. But I got the wrong batteries with me. Yes I do, take AAA's. Oh well, anyways, let's have a look at the truck. Hard body. I couldn't get a blue one, but I might paint this. Let's have a look. Yeah. Meant to be oil-filled shocks. Oil-filled shocks. Not sure. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so let's have a look. Hard body. Apparently it's got lights. 2-speed box. All this will come out. So we've got these little clips here. I'm guessing that's what we use to pop the body. That's nice. I like that. Oh, ah yes. So there's a battery. Power Dash FMS motor. 2-speed gearbox. There's the transmission servo. What else we got? On-off switch. Oh, my big chunky finger can get in there, so that's okay. Looks like there's plenty of room. Might even be able to get that Reef 99 servo in there. Yeah. Now we need to get that battery charged and see. So the radio. I wonder where the shift for the 2-speed is. Channel 3. There it is. Okay, so that'll be neutral, first, second type thing. Nice carbon effect. Can't be fast enough. So he's reading. Let's try and give her a rip. Oh yeah, flat out. Let's see what that read. Where's my phone? Alright. Stop. Read. 6 miles an hour. Not quite what they were saying. I think they said 8. I'll have to look at the jargon. Jargon. But yeah, 6 mile an hour. Benchmarked. I don't think that's no speed record. Good little turning circle. One little thing about this truck that I don't like, a little grievance of mine. It's probably not a big deal, but this silly little rubber band here that holds the battery in is fiddly. I guess my second little gripe is the tiny little 350 milliamp hour battery. Once we upgrade this with the Vortex stuff, that's going to last about 2 minutes. So we'll have to find somewhere else to put a battery. Anyways, that's my little gripe. Alright, so what do we have in the bag with the Max Smasher? So we have locked diffs, we have little spacer clips there for the shock absorbers. Look, plastic diffs. Maybe Tree will have some metal ones of those. We've got seals for the shocks. Nice. We have one of these little chargers. Personally, don't like these. Get rid of that. We won't be using it. Nice little wrench. And another little wrench. Nice. Well worth the money, I think. Let's see. You tell me. Comments below. Woo! So the long short is the Max Smasher. I think it's a pretty cool little truck. I cannot wait to get the Vortex stuff into it. Yeah, it's a little bit slow, but it's a monster truck. It's torquey, climbs well through the long grass. Loads of fun to be had. Be interested. Lock the diffs, see how it climbs. And actually, this radio, even though it's tiny, my hands being as big as they are, it's actually really nice size for driving single-handed. I am now getting used to these little radios. Unfortunately, this is going to go bye-bye when I go Vortex. Anyway, catch you inside. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. Subscribe, smash the bell down below. The more of you that join, the more of this I can do. Alright, catch you later.